Hey guys, in this video we are going to see how to do a creative writing. Creative writing is expressing your ideas and thoughts using your imagination. There are many types of creative writing, which includes poetry, plays, movie and television scripts, fictional novels and short stories, songs, political speeches, memoirs and personal essays. And there are a lot of techniques to do a creative writing. We can develop a character, develop the plot, maybe explaining your environment of the scene or the hidden agenda of the entire script, or a particular character's point of view, or sometimes an author's point of view. A conversation between any two characters or a group of characters. Anecdotes, some kind of hidden metaphors, a little bit of one-line comedies, a context of speech, or some kind of new language, or giving an impression through the emotion, or sometimes describing a very tragical situation. If you take Joker movie as an example, one line, also known as tagline, is "put on a happy face." But if you see a summary of that movie, it says, in Gotham City, mentally troubled comedian Arthur Fleck is disregarded and mistreated by society. He then embarks on a downward spiral of revolution and bloody crime. This path brings him face to face with his alter ego, the Joker. So this is the entire story summary in 4 to 5 lines. But if you take a synopsis, that's an elaborate version of the summary. The best way to write a synopsis is to set a line count, which is more than 15 lines, and not to exceed about 50 lines. These are the do's and don'ts. Get inspired, but at the same time don't think you can't do it. And always follow a theme, so stick to it and don't pressurize yourself, so do your free writing. If you're getting grammatical errors, this is not the time to do the proofing. So enjoy the ease and freedom of creative writing. My final thought is to always have fun, so enjoy. Thanks for watching guys. Take care, bye.